Navigating the dynamic realm of smartphones can be quite a challenge when seeking the perfect balance between cutting-edge features and affordability. Meet the Tecno Spark 20C, a device set to redefine your smartphone encounter. In this in-depth review, we'll explore its specifications, design, and performance, guiding you through the distinctive features that make it stand out in today's crowded market. Let's kick things off with the physical attributes that give the Tecno Spark 20C its distinctiveness. Boasting dimensions of 163.7 x 75.6 x 8.6 mm, this device strikes the right chord between a substantial screen size and an ergonomic design. The combination of a glass front, plastic back, and frame not only contributes to its sleek aesthetics, but also ensures durability. Moving on to the display, the Tecno Spark 20C proudly features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with an impressive 90 Hz refresh rate, promising smoother scrolling and an enriched visual experience. The 720x1612 pixel resolution and 20:9 ratio deliver vibrant colors and sharp clarity, providing a screen-to-body ratio of around 84.6%. Under the hood, the Tecno Spark 20C runs on the latest Android 13 operating system. Its MediaTek chipset and octa-core 2.2 GHz Cortex A53 CPU guarantee seamless multitasking and swift app launches, whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or working on multiple applications. Say goodbye to storage concerns with the Tecno Spark 20C. The micro SDXC card slot allows for expandable storage, complementing the internal options of 128 GB with either 4 GB or 8 GB RAM. This configuration not only accommodates your apps and media but also ensures smooth performance even with intensive tasks. The camera setup on the Tecno Spark 20C is impressive, featuring a 50MP wide lens and an auxiliary 0.08MP lens. The PDAF ensures quick and accurate focusing, while features like dual LED flash and HDR enhance the overall photography experience. Capture your memories in stunning 1080p at 30 fps video quality. The selfie camera, an 8MP lens with dual LED flash, ensures well-lit selfies for the avid selfie taker in you. Capture your best angles and relive your moments with vivid clarity. With a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery, the Tecno Spark 20C is built for endurance. The 18W wired charging capability ensures you spend less time tethered to outlets, keeping you connected throughout your day. In a market inundated with choices, the Tecno Spark 20C emerges as a standout choice, offering a harmonious blend of design, performance, and affordability. From its captivating display to the powerful camera setup and robust battery life, this smartphone is poised to enrich your digital experiences. Elevate your smartphone game with the Tecno Spark 20C, where innovation meets accessibility.